Hello viewers, today I'm gonna show you how to change your account location on Roblox. At first, go to Play Store and check update your Roblox. If your Roblox is already updated, just open it. Scroll down and click on Help and Safety. Click on Help. Now search to account location. Click on account location. Scroll down. Click on support form. Now fill this form with your contact information. Now select your device type. Now select your help category type. Select how to. And now select how to change my location. Hello support, I changed my country to X, but my account still shows to Y. And describe more what you want to like to say. And now click on continue to submit it. By doing this process, you can successfully change your account location on Roblox. Thank you.